Tingnan nyo guys. How wonderful the project ko. Wow. So nice. Morning, sir. So nice. Wow! Ang ganda ng project nila, bro. At sa tingin ko guys, ang laki-laki ng trabaho nito. Ang laki pa ang trabaho. Di ba ito madaling matapos kasi ang layo pa dito patungong Ujungan, barangay Ujungan. Parang kalsada na to ah. Oh wow. Wow. It's a beautiful place. Ito ang bagong project nila guys. This is a new project. This is road going to Ujungan, from Hingoog to Ujungan, barangay Ujungan. Wow. Wow. It's a big project. See. Wow. Lalo na kayo na dyan guys. Look at that guys. Wow. Whoop. Aha. Wow. Whew. It's Camiguin Island in front there too. Wow. It's the bay. How wonderful.